Hey guys, welcome to the video. Just before we get started, this is a pretty epic video, but before we get started, sorry we haven't uploaded in quite a while. School just started and it's hunting season, and they moved, so it's just been hard to get videos uploaded. It was like this last year when school started and it was hunting season. But so yeah, and with them moved to Idaho Falls, you're gonna be seeing some more videos of just us by ourselves, not together, because we don't see each other as often when he's moved to a different place. So just a heads up. Thanks, guys. Really?
Look at that's the second. Okay, there.
Okay, guys, we're walking out to some islands. Woo! Water's getting pretty deep right here in the water. We got our stuff. We got a holy gigantic crawdad. Bear, you gotta get over here. It's huge. It's huge. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, false alarm. We are walking out to the island. I'm gonna flip around the camera. No, we're going to that island right there. So I'm actually along the shore right now.
Oh, big one, big one. You see him?
Holy, that is big. I don't think you got
We
him.
got him.
You did?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Let me see it.
Oh yeah, he's pretty
Let
big.
me see it.
He's not a big chunk.
Let me see.
Okay, show the viewers.
Let me see.
Down there, that big boy.
Let me see.
He's bigger than the ones we've caught before. That's for sure.
A little baby Disney one. That's a baby.
Okay, guys, or Bear, keep him in the net.
That's huge.
We'll be right back when we get to the island with the crawdad. All right, guys, look at that size of the crawdad compared to my hand. It's a pretty big one. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get the fishing bowl set up.
We found the baby. I found the baby.
Holy moly, the other one could eat it. Plop it in there.
It's my turn.
Tiny baby. Okay, guys, we'll be back when we get the fishing bowl set up. Okay, guys, we just got the fishing pole out. It's over on the other side of these weeds. And the wind's up big time. So we're standing on this island. Guys, get on the island over here.
Why?
Because your mom just said. So, yeah. No, over here. I think.
Over here.
It's okay. Fine, we'll bring it over here. So, guys, we'll be back when something cool happens.
What is up, Billy Begin?
So, last
you didn't
clip,
show me. You did.
last clip we were on the island.
Yeah, and we
And
got
now-
a giant.
The truck and the wind. There's branches all over.
Yeah, and this is a crazy storm. You good? The water was going I was getting pushed down.
Yeah.
It was so. I was getting pushed away.
Yeah.
I was
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
There's branches flying off of trees and stuff.
Yeah, and it's raining.
One time,
There's raindrops on the windshield.
a branch on the. If it is a tornado, on the top of the then we can never come here again.
Well, tornadoes will affect everywhere around here.
Guys, every
It's
time
not
we came
tornado.
here, it rained. It rained.
Yeah.
And this is like the worst time. It's like it gets worse every time it comes.
Yeah.
Oh, if we come here next, it's gonna be something like bad. Like I can't even think of something worse than this.
The only thing we caught were those crawdads.
Yeah,
we didn't catch anything else.
Yeah, fish. We didn't catch any fish. Or
Hi.
I wonder if those frogs are doing okay. Oh,
Oh, they're probably.
probably in there. They're probably in there.
Um.
Imagine that. Imagine.
Guys.
Imagine we just
like crazy storm.
imagine the whole ocean was
I thought you caught a bird because you're windy and the string would be flying in the air.
Yeah.
And
a bird was like, ooh, free flying bird.
This is crazy. Why does this have to happen on the only day we could come?
I don't know. So we looked at the weather and everything, and it said that it was going to be sun shining and everything, and then
rain.
nothing. And then we get here, and we look up at the clouds, and we're like, oh, I hope it doesn't rain
All of a
again.
sudden, just as we get here, like the whole sky is dark.
Yeah,
That happens every time we come here.
and that.
And it's so. Imagine just a huge trees just starting to die.
Okay, we do need a little air.
I'm scared.
It's getting fog.
Guys, we took a video of underwater and hot frogs.
We could. What else could we do?
And
I
look
don't
how
even know anything else.
Poopy faces.
Well, we'll get back to you guys if something changes.
No, tell them that we found a whole.
Okay, guys.
We found a whole bunch of broken trees.
Oh, there's a whole-
Is that the red car? I just saw the red car.
I
Oh, I
don't
did
know.
the shot. Oh, guys,
I don't know what else
we just
to
saw
do.
falling trees and roofs lost power.
You mean Arctic Circle?
Yeah.
Arctic Circle lower because of this storm. It is crazy. There's branches everywhere. There.
I was thinking Arctic Circle had a play.
Oh, you were thinking Arctic Circle. Gotcha, Bubba.
But look, the trees are shaking. Look, the wind is going crazy.
Oh, like there's a whole bunch of bent trees. Yeah,
Yeah.
and all of them, and like,
And the only ones remaining are the little ones.
no big ones too.
Thick ones. But the little ones are also. Like, look. I don't know if it's showing up in the camera, but the stoplight is shaking. Shelby's screen.
Shelby, hands free.
Got it.
I don't think you guys can see it, but the stoplights are shaking.
Flag is going insane. Yeah.
Arctic Circle lost power. We tried to go get ice cream since our Rose Pond trip got ruined.
Yeah, we only caught like.
A couple crawdads.
Yeah, and we. Meaning crawfish. And we just threw them on the land. You mean
Yeah.
crawfish?
Yeah, they're the same thing, basically. They're basically the same.
They are the same. If we just go that way and then we go straight,
Like,
we'll be
the trees
to
are
our dad.
shaking. We're trying to get ice cream somewhere.
Someone just pulled in the spot I saw.
Oh, water. You're gonna die.
No.
What are you staring at?
Okay, so we'll get back if something else is crazy.
Guys, there's so much
Guys. Look at all the dust blowing from the.
We're going to go straight to 30, guys.
Look, guys, there's trees on the side of the road.
Oh my god.
But
Even going so we can go straight.
look up there.
Like,
There's police lights. I think we're gonna drive by it.
my clothes. Everyone. What happened to my clothes?
I put them in my road truck. Oh my gosh, I can see it. I can see the shape of
What was it?
a tree. There's a giant one down up there where the police lights are. Can you see?
Oh my gosh.
Shelby, what do we do?
We're gonna have to turn around. But let's go up there and see it.
Oh my. That's huge.
There's like a police semi or something. Oh, it's a truck.
Holy macaroni.
You guys, that's like a whole tree. What if you were on the road when that happened?
Oh man. Holy.
Oh, it's a police van.
Can you see it
Uh,
on your phone?
yeah.
I'm gonna come up here a little farther and turn around.
Guys, that's like a tree, like a
We're
whole
just
tree.
licking ice cream watching this. It's like a movie. It's insane, bro.
Oh, and it's on the power line.
Oh my!
So that probably took down like a whole bunch of stuff. Oh shit! You guys, there's branches falling from that tree right now. Holy crap! Let's get out of here. That was a huge. That one on the ground just fell. We gotta get out.
Holy smokes!
No.
Oh my gosh!
Awesome footage. Tumbling! Look at it's actually tumbling. It's tumbling.
Yeah.
Please,
Well,
please, what about the space on the editor?
Maybe we shouldn't
What?
take the back roads home.
What about the space on the editor?
Hold on.
Look at the branch falling down. Please, what about the space on
We're
the
gonna
editor?
get over here while we're driving
There's
past
enough
the street.
holy cow! What's that desk coming from? It's only right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Keep on going so we can join you again. Mom, we're eating ice cream when it's cold outside.
I know. That's why I asked if you guys want hot cocoa. Holy crap!
Look at it. Look at my ice cream.
Paisley.
You guys are cute.
There's a little smudge of light right there. Hey! What? It looks like a nipple.
This is crazy.
So crazy. Scary kind of.
That's brown.
I know.
We were just happy. We were just happy when we were going to go to
There's
First
the
Pond.
one.
That's some stuff. It is this crazy storm came. Hey, get on my spot. I was the first. It smashed my car. I smashed my car on accident. Remember caution tape?
Cold.
License plates. I'm just kidding.
License plates, what?
License plates say. License plates say, you gotta get out here. My name's License Plate.
I'm just gonna film straight in front of us. So if a tree falls in, that'd be crazy.
You can edit stuff out too, can't you? Chunks of it.
Like this part. If nothing cool happens, I'll just
Edit it out.
pull it out. Yeah.
Back license plates. Oh! Oh! Oh!
What? What?
What?
What'd you do?
Something was funny. I saw it. Oh, something just funny. A branch hit a bird. Look how many birds!
Oh my!
A branch hit a bird. Yeah, I saw that, so I was like, oh! Where's there so retarded?
Oh, there's sun coming through those clouds.
Sun. I just go. Sun's not coming up.
We just came this way.
Cows.
And we had to turn around. Okay. We'll come back if we see another tree. What the? Guys, there's a big one down over there. Holy cow. That's as tall as those big ones. Holy cow.
Oh, I wonder how much
giant tree.
thingies.
Yeah.
I wonder when that fell out because
It's in the cemetery.
I wonder if we're the first ones that spotted that at the cemetery.
You just noticed it pulled the road.
Oh
It pulled up
my
cement.
gosh, it broke the road.
Holy
I don't know if we should be
crap.
What
Oh
if another one
my
breaks?
gosh. Holy cow.
crap.
Oh my gosh. This
Wow.
tree.
Oh.
Holy freak. Okay, we better get out
Oh,
of here now.
surprisingly, it's not
There's
pushing.
like tons of
8
branches on the ground.
Okay.
all over here.
I think we're stuck here, so.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, all those headstones probably got broken.
Yeah.
This is in the cemetery.
Guys, that is scary. I wonder if the cops know about that one.
That one's like the worst.
Did a tree just hit us?
What?
Did you guys hear something?
I was just dropping his ice cream.
You dropped your ice cream?
Hurry, grab it.
Megan, grab it. Hurry.
It's soggy. Why?
Oh,
Bye.
Ew.
Yeah.
What if one fell on a
So much for
train?
not getting your truck dirty.
And don't drop it. Wait, what if a tree fell on a tree and then it just kept falling? And then you're like, over here.
That is insane. That's the worst one we've seen by
Yeah.
far.
That one's bad.
I don't think any other can be worse. People are pulling out at
The
it like
whole ground is torn up. That is so crazy.
It there's like a giant hole.
Yeah.
That'd be fun to play on. I'm just kidding. that
That's
would.
insane. The roots broke everything.
It's like.
That is insane.
By the way,
Guys,
it's
like, we're in
almost
swimming
big-
suits.
And then
We're
I think we need to call the police. And then we see a mini. And
I'm sure somebody will.
And then we see a mini, like a mini tree just. What if we see
Like
one
a
of the
tree
big- like
of a
what if we see
tumbleweed.
a tree like huge and it's just tumbling like a tumbleweed?
Paisley, something is wrong right now.
I shouldn't have given her sugar.
Yeah. She's broken. Oh my goodness.
Imagine there was a tree where the whole tree just got ripped out. That would have been funny.
Is it even raining anymore?
No, I just wanted to clean the window.
I know, but I meant like.
Oh, okay. I was like, no.
What if a branch
The wind? No, the rain's gone. It's just the wind. This is like the worst windstorm I've seen
What if
in a
a branch
while.
what if a big tree just fell and it hit us by the tip and we just flipped in the sky?
There's our old school.
No. What if it just tapped us? Oh, yes.
There's some branches down. Oh my god. Guys, shh, stop screaming.
Dude, what are you doing?
Hey Paisley, what if there was a tree down right? What if that
Oh,
big tree?
no. Is today Monday?
Yes?
The Chinese place isn't even open, you guys. I
It
don't
isn't?
think.
Yay.
Oh man, I feel bad for you guys.
I know. Bad for us, too.
Now I gotta play with you guys.
No, we gotta go.
Can they come to our house for a little bit?
No, honey, not today.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we have to get a shower.
Alright guys, now I'm back home and it's hailing. It's hailing now. It's hailing. This is crazy. Oh man, just wanted to show you guys that it was hailing. Big ones. Those are like big. Wow guys, see ya. You guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but now there's crazy amounts of thunder and lightning. Don't know if you can hear it. Oh, that is thunder. This is a crazy storm.